Hello, we are the group 4 of the General Chemistry PETA. In this video, we'll show you our experiment for our general chemistry.
Our topic is the effect of solids dissolving in liquids under boiling point and freezing point. It may sound complicated, but we'll break it down in an easy to understand and simple way.
So, what's this experiment about? Basically, we want to see how adding things like salt or sugar into the water changes how they fast dissolve, and how it affects boiling and freezing points.
You might have noticed before that when you add sugar to iced tea, it dissolves slower compared to hot tea. That's one of the things we tested.
The materials used are glass cups, rock salt, sugar, water, and teaspoons.
There are things that you can usually find at home. For this experiment, we can use this.
For the first test, we used 3 glasses of water, one with cold water, one with normal room temperature water, and one with hot water.
We added the same amount of salt or sugar to each glass and time how long it took to dissolve.
For the second test, we look at the particle size and mixing. We compared rock salt left alone versus stirred and sugar left alone versus stirred.
This helped us see how stirring and particle size affect dissolving speed.
Here are things we notice. First, solids dissolve much faster in hot water than in cold water, which means temperature matters when dissolving solutes.
Next, stirring the cups made a huge difference. When we stir the salt or sugar, they dissolve quicker compared to just letting them sit.
And finally, smaller particles like sugar dissolve faster than larger particles like rock salt.
In conclusion, dissolving solids affect the liquid's properties. Specifically, it can raise the boiling point and lower the freezing point.
This is called boiling point elevation and freezing point depression. For example, People put salt on icy roads to melt the ice faster, and adding the salt to water also make it boil at a slightly higher temperature. In conclusion, dissolving solids in liquids is affected by temperature, particle size, and mixing. Hotter water, stirring, and small particles make solids dissolve faster.
And this changes also affects boiling and freezing points, which is why it is important in both science and daily life.